And if my camera skills are awful, it's because I'm new. I'm sorry ahead of time. And sometimes I get distracted and not paying attention to what's going on in the camera. There's some kind of bird out here. I'm not sure what that sound is. If there's bird lovers out here and you recognize that, let us know what it is. Trying to get to the river. I drove over that bridge to get here, and the river's kind of muddy, but it's still nice to walk around. I think that's sumac. Not sure. A hiking trail and bike trail, but I'm trying to get to the river. What is that up there? We can go see what that is. Loki Trail. Ooh. All kinds of stuff up there. I'm not going all the way up there though. I'm old and my hips and ankles don't work like they used to. But let's see what this little contraption is up here. Do not climb on. That is just an invitation to climb on that. They must be trying to do some sort of maintenance, but yeah, don't tell me not to climb on that. So this is it's called a mountain. Not anything like the Rockies, but I don't want to go up. I want to go down. So we're going to go back this way.